air fried lemon pepper chicken skewers. Yes, you heard me right. We are popping out that air fryer today, baby. I have a special recipe that you are guaranteed to love. I'm talking smacking with so much flavor, yet so easy to make, and I'm about to show you how it's done. So let's get started. So you are gonna begin with your boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And what I'm gonna do here is just slice them into small cubes. Yes, you can absolutely use chicken breast if that's what you prefer. But me personally, I go crazy over me some chicken thighs, okay? I need me a little bit of fat on my chicken, if you know what I mean. So that is why we are using chicken thighs. So go ahead and slice them up just like so as we move on to the next step. And let me know in the comments below, have you seen the OG lemon pepper chicken wings video that I also did in the air fryer? We are at about 2 million views on that video, which is crazy. Let me know in the comments below, have you seen that one? If you haven't, make sure you check it out. So we gotta season up our chicken to perfection, and on the screen listed is what we're gonna be using to do so, and they will be listed down in the description box as well. All the ingredients are always there for you to reference to. So go ahead and season that chicken like your life depends on it. Be generous, don't be stingy, and just rub that on in after you drizzle a little bit of oil on your chicken. And once they are ready to go, you're gonna go ahead and get your skewers. Mine's, I have them soaking in some water so they don't char up too much in the air fryer. And this is nice and simple. Just skewer your chicken right up on the stick just like so, and just continue to do so until you have your chicken ready to go. All right, so I have my air fryer preheated to 400 degrees, and I'm just gonna toss my chicken right on in. And we're gonna air fry these at 400 degrees, like I said, for about 15 to 17 minutes or so. And halfway into that cooking time, you wanna 100% give your chicken a flip, all right? Give it a flip. And in the meanwhile, we're gonna work on that lemon pepper butter sauce, which is very, very simple. We're tossing in our unsalted butter, our lemon pepper seasoning, and some freshly chopped parsley. Not more to it. Very simple, very easy. Get that melted, get that mixed together. And once your chicken is fully cooked, you should be looking just like this right out of the air fryer. Oh, so beautiful. And go ahead and drop that lemon pepper butter sauce right on top. You could brush it, you could drizzle it, have you like. Go ahead and get it on top. Sprinkle a little bit of extra lemon pepper seasoning for good luck. You guys always ask me, I use Lawry's lemon pepper seasoning. Lawry's, you need to holler at me for the sponsorship, okay? Because I'll be plugging y'all in, if you know what I mean. So, hey, this is it. Looking beautiful, looking delicious, tasting delicious, tasting amazing, matter of fact. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all in the next one. Deuces.